Chapter 1. Imagine being born without a memory. What would it be like? Grandmaster Kevin Horsley answers this question by stating that without memory, one would be nothing. You wouldn't be able to learn, think, or have intelligence. You wouldn't even know how to tie your shoes. Memory is the glue that binds everyone's lives together. It is what makes everyone. Memories determine the quality of our decisions and, therefore, our entire life. Learning is the ability to acquire new information while memory holds that information in place over time. Memory is the foundation to all learning. Memories are inbuilt. However, they need to be improved upon, as the stronger your memory is, the better for you. The more you remember, the more you can create. Chapter 2. Excuses are extremely unhealthy for your goals. Many frequently get lost on the path to achieving their life's goals as a result of a persistent lack of concentration. Concentration is a precursor to attaining your desired goal in life. Excuses are a major setback that can deter your level of concentration and attention. These excuses are the major reasons you have not made a quantum leap on your path to success. Excuses only have one job: to prevent you from learning new things as well as impede you from achieving your desired goal. Hence, it is crucial that you break free from your excuses. Grandmaster Kevin Horsley highlighted some common excuses that people use to give away their power to excel. They include telling yourself you are helpless, constantly blaming someone else, and the thought of too much stress in anything you desire to accomplish. If you continuously believe your limits, then your life will constantly be restricted by those limits. It is impossible to have negative emotions without blaming someone or something for it. We often excuse ourselves from taking responsibility and also excuse ourselves into living mediocre lives. But you need to decide now to stop giving power to excuses if you are indeed willing to achieve your life goals. Letting go of excuses, judgments, and complaints will help improve your memory and concentration, as well as quicken your learning of a new skill. Chapter 3. Beliefs have a great influence in the accomplishment of your goals. Your belief is another factor that can either deter or encourage your level of concentration. Your belief in what your concentration and memory can do can be your own limited version of the truth. Many never try out the wealth of potential within them because they have a limited view of what they can do. Never believe that lie. The mind is the only limit you've got. As long as you believe you can do it, you can. There are awesome ways in which you can change those terrible beliefs preventing you from achieving your life's goals. Grandmaster Kevin suggests 5 core beliefs you should put on right now to build a better level of concentration. They include: I was born with exceptional memory and concentration. Memory improvement is important. My memory is unlimited. There is no failure, only feedback. I don't know it all. Remember this: there is no failure, only feedback. Chapter 4. Be here now and attain a great level of concentration. Many people believe super concentration is magical, that it's more like a gift that few are born with. Grandmaster Kevin, however, disagrees with this view. He gave an instance saying, "Do you agree with this statement? Big muscular biceps are something you are born with." No, of course not, because we know it takes many hours of training in a gym. In a similar way, concentration, like any other thing in life, requires adequate practice. Concentration is an accumulation of small choices consistently practiced. You can focus your thinking to improve any area of your life. Hence, concentration should be built upon daily. Building your concentration isn't difficult. You just need to learn to be here, now. When you're at work, be at work. When you're at home, be at home. You have to learn to be peaceful to attain your desired level of concentration. Withdraw your mind from conflicting thoughts and learn to build a state of mental peace. Mind conflicts ruin your level of concentration, so you should avoid them. Take these steps to eliminate conflicts and create more peace. Take control of your inner voice. Stop multitasking. Know what you want and eliminate worry. Learn to practice peace because no attention means no retention. Chapter 5. Create and connect to learn faster and be productive. Many dream of having a photographic memory, which is a complete mystery. Memory is a creative process and not a photographic process. You have to create the memories you wish to remember. Any book you really enjoy activates your imagination and brings information to life. Reading and writing are a creative imagination process. We excel in reading when we don't feel confused or ignorant. The more we transform information into images, the more we retain, remember, and comprehend. We can, therefore, make learning more comprehensible through our unlimited imagination. You can learn to enhance your memory and imagination system through the C principles, which include the use of your senses. Utilizing your senses helps you experience more life and remember more. Exaggeration with humor. Create some positive, exaggerated learning memories. Imagination is a creative process. The more life you can put in it, the better your learning. For instance, to remember the capital of a country like Greece, which is Athens, you can imagine 8 hens, which sounds like Athens, swimming in Greece. To achieve a powerful memory state, you need to bring information to life through unlimited imagination. The author also suggests other means to creatively remember information, which include the use of your car, use of your body, pegging information down, and the use of journey methods. All these creative ways of remembering information have a principle in common, the journey method, which involves the following. 1. Prepare in your mind an organized location, car, or body. 2. Create markers or places on the location, car, or body. 3. Make a clear image using C principles of the information you would like to remember. 4. Place each item you are trying to remember on each of the marked locations. By doing these, you will remember a lot of information. All the memory methods work with the formula LTM, long-term memory, plus STM, short-term memory, equals MTM, middle-term memory. The long-term memory offers you a place to store information that you'll remember forever, like your name, while the short-term memory stores incoming information, like your new telephone number, and also assists the LTM in remembering large chunks of information. The crucial thing is to practice continuously. The more you do, the better you become. Chapter 6. Linking thoughts and remembering names and numbers are ways of building a creative memory. To concentrate and strengthen your ability to associate concepts, you need to be able to link thoughts. Learning involves connecting old information to new knowledge and also requires you to create a link between the known and unknown. The better your understanding of an idea, the easier it is for you to create the link. To create a linking thought that enables you to build a stronger memory, get a list of all items to be remembered, convert everything to a list of relatable key words you can easily remember, and form a beautiful and meaningful story that links all the items together. In essence, it is crucial to remember names like a memory master. To do this, you have to focus on the 4 C's, which are concentrate with genuine interest in the other person's name. Create an image of the name in your mind. Connect the name with the face, location, or by comparison with another bearer. Continuously use the name. Just like names, numbers have also become a crucial part of our being, yet no one has shown us an easy way to remember numbers by converting them to shapes which form letters that can be turned into words. The process is intricate, but once you have a clear understanding of the code, it makes your ability to remember numbers faster. The code suggests that all vowels, A, E, I, O, and U have no number value. Also, the letters W, H, and I have no value. 0 is for letters S, Z, or C, 1 for T or D, 2 for the letter N, 3 for M, 4 for the letter R, 5 for L, 6 for J or SH, 7 for the letter K, 8 for F or V, and 9 represents letters P or B. Did you know a number like 1,310 can form the word tomatoes? This number method of remembering requires diligent practice, but once mastered, it becomes pretty easy. Chapter 7. You can easily convert information to art and use the memory methods effectively. Art is another great way to remember information because it aids creative remembering and increases your association with the information. Make an effort to turn important information in your life to pictures that can be easily viewed in your mind. It's fun doing this. Knowing the methods is important. However, adapting to these methods is more vital. You can do this by using Google Images, by getting an illustrator to make your drawings, by cutting out pictures from magazines, or by using doodles. Also, the use of mind mapping is another example of creative remembering. Chapter 8. The importance of continuous use should never be sidestepped. Habits begin as offhanded remarks, ideas, and images, and then, layer upon layer, through practice, they grow from cobwebs into cables that shackle or strengthen our lives. Dennis Waitley. Building a long-term memory of these methods would help you remember the methods forever. To achieve this, you need to discipline yourself to continuously use the methods. Self-discipline is not self-deprivation. It is setting a great standard for yourself and achieving it. Many think the events that unfold in their lives are magical, but they fail to see the place of self-discipline in the achievement of their life's goals. Our goals can be attained if we are willing to fight for them and inculcate self-discipline in our daily living. Follow these steps to create a more disciplined life. Create a vision. Make a decision to change. Stop listening to your feelings. Take daily action on your success path. After this process, it is vital that you constantly review your learning process to keep yourself abreast of vital information needed to help you attain success. The reason we review is to build a strong memory of the information in our minds. Reviewing does not require a lot of time, it just requires thinking about the information and ensuring the details of the information are vivid and clear. If you review a piece of information in a specific time frame, you increase recall. Recalling keeps the information awake in your mind and enables you to be able to connect new information with existing ones. To prevent loss of important information in your life and loss of all that you've learned, you need to always use the power of review to put a lid on learning. Conclusion. There is only management when it comes to memory improvement. Hence, you have to build your memory with the wealth of methods that can enhance your memory and ability to remember. Make conscious effort in inculcating self-discipline to achieve your goals. Try this. Drop the excuses. Build a positive belief about your memory and concentration. Avoid mind conflicts and create mind peace. Also, be present in your dealings. Use creativity in remembering crucial life information. Inculcate self-discipline and constantly review and renew your learning.